All right, good morning, guys. It is Sunday. Normally I would be at church right now, but I'm not playing guitar today, and my daughter has allergies pretty bad, so we decided to stay home. We got it all wrapped up. Came out killer. I really like the way this looks. I'm not a fan, and I don't want to step on anyone's toes, but I'm not a fan of body armor that's black, like when you have your Jeep color and then the black. I'm personally not a fan of that. That's why I'm so excited that this turned out the way it did. It's just, I don't know. It's hard to explain, but it just looks so much more professional, like just cleaner, everything. So anyways, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this out because as you can see up there and right there, I've got the rock sliders that I think we are going to prep, sand them, and paint them and get that out of the way, because chances are I will put them on, because I think it might add a good look to this. So I might do that. The fuel gauge actually working finally. So super stoked about that. Alright guys, got this whole side done. I am going to have to run at some point and get more of these bolts for the other side, because some of them are stripped out. Yeah, I might need to put one more right in there. But what do you guys think? I never really pictured a rock slider look on this, but it's not bad. I think definitely having it painted the color of the Jeep is what makes it for me, because I'm not a fan, like I said earlier, of like the unpainted rock sliders. But you got that, this side without it, and then this side with it. I think it will grow on me. It's just one of those things, I'm just not used to seeing it, but I think it will grow on me. Alright guys, and just like that, we have wrapped up this body armor job. Couple things. This had gotten bent. I may put a bolt in there probably to just kind of hold that in there, but we'll figure that out. All in all, pretty happy with how it turned out for just kind of a overnight deal. Super stoked. I ordered online. I ordered some PPF, and so what I think I'm gonna do is wrap the top of this in that PPF, so no matter, you know, feet getting on it, stuff, it'll get scuffed, but hopefully it won't necessarily chip the paint, which is what my main concern would be, rubbing, getting dirty, because you can see, I don't know if it'll show up, but there's already some dirt from me getting in and out when I went to the store. I understand it's gonna get dirty, but I think all in all that looks pretty good. I got the wrong size nuts though, so I'm 2 bolts short, the wrong nuts. So I will have to, before I can like put this in, and before I can put this in over here, I'll have to go get some more nuts for that. But pretty happy with how it turned out. We'll go ahead and give you guys a little B-roll maybe. So let's go.
Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Taking that tug out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Win in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is to it, no way around it. Before that we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I'm aiming for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row.
As always, guys, thank you guys for watching. I think that's going to wrap up this video of installing body armor. Tips and tricks. It's pretty straightforward, to be honest. Yeah, just do what I did, hold things up. If you had 2 people doing this together, it would probably be easier, but 1 person is plenty to do it. So with all that, like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the YouTube stuff. I am trying to post more frequently, so hopefully the algorithm will get back with it, and we can grow this channel. But thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.